84 days until AS Level Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Find and simplify the first four terms in ascending powers of x in the binomial expansion of 2 minus 3x to the power of 6. Starting with our first term, we'll have 2 raised to the power of 6. As the powers of x ascend, this power will descend. So for the second term, we'll have 2 to the power 5, then 2 to the power 4, then 2 to the power 3. The coefficient of x is minus 3. So for our first power of x, we'll have minus 3x to the power 0. And since these powers are ascending, for the next term, we'll have minus 3x to the power 1, then minus 3x to the power 2, then minus 3x to the power 3. Then finally, for our first term, because we have a power of 6, we'll need to multiply by 6, choose 0, because our first power of x is 0. Then for our second term, this will ascend to 6, choose 1, 6, choose 2, and 6, choose 3. These are the values that we get for our expansion using Pascal's triangle. Simplifying each of these terms, 2 to the power 6 is 64, anything to the power 0 is just 1, and 6 choose 0 is 1. Same for the rest of these terms, 2 to the power 5 is 32, minus 3x to the power 1 is minus 3x, and 6 choose 1 is 6. 2 to the power 4 is 16, minus 3x squared will be 9x squared, and 6 choose 2 is 15. 2 to the power 3 is 8, minus 3x all cubed will be minus 27x cubed, and 6 choose 3 is 20. Finally, 64 times 1 is 64. 32 times minus 3x times 6 is minus 576x. 16 times 9x squared times 15 is 2160x squared. Then 8 times minus 27x cubed times 20 is minus 532x cubed. So in ascending powers of x, our first four terms will be 64 minus 576x plus 2160x squared minus 532x cubed. For part B, hence find the coefficient of x squared in the expansion of 4 minus x multiplied by 2 minus 3x to the power 6. This is what we already expanded in the first part. So we'll have 4 minus x multiplied by our answer for part A. Since we only want to look at the coefficient of x squared, when we expand this, let's see which terms multiply to give us an x squared term. That would be 4 times 2160x squared and minus x times minus 576x. Times in these two terms together, we'll have 8640x squared. And times in these terms together, we'll have plus 576x squared. Collecting these terms together, we'll have 9216x squared. So the coefficient will be 9216, and this is our final answer.